Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Shopify and Abyssale. So the use case here is, whenever a new product is created in Shopify, automatically generate banner in Abyssale. Now let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Shopify is an e-commerce platform where you can set up your online store and sell your products. Whereas Abyssale helps you to generate images and banners for online advertising. The problem here is that Shopify and Abyssale don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an integration software with the help of which you can transfer data from Shopify to Abyssale. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen. So here I am at Google. And now what I'm going to do is I'll go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and now I will hover over this product section over here and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now I'm going to click on sign in. Okay, so now because I've already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. Pabbly Connect offers a free plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. You just have to clone the template of the workflow. The link for the same is available in the description below the video. Once you clone the template, you will immediately get access to this workflow right in your account. So now I'm going to scroll down, and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and you can see we have so many workflows already created over here. So now I'm going to create a new workflow by clicking on this Create Workflow button. Okay, so now I'm going to give a name to this workflow and I'm going to name it as Shopify Product Integrations. Now I'm going to create it. Okay, so now here in Choose App, first I am going to choose Shopify. Okay, now in trigger event, according to our workflow, whenever a new product is created in Shopify will be our trigger event. So new product is our trigger event over here. Now you can see we have various other trigger events available. You can select whichever trigger event you want according to your choice. And if you don't get the trigger event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. Now I am going to click on new product because this is our trigger event over here. Okay, so now you might have a question in your mind that what is this term called trigger event? Let me tell you that automations run on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, when a new product is created in Shopify is our trigger event over here. So now here you can see there is a term called webhook URL. Now you might again ask me, what is this webhook URL? How is it going to help us? Let me tell you that webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So this webhook URL helps you to build a connection between the trigger software application and Pabbly Connect. So what you have to do is, after choosing the app and choosing the trigger event, what we do is we copy this webhook URL from here and we go and paste it inside the trigger software application, which is Shopify in our case. So now what I'm going to do is I'll copy this webhook URL from here, and now I'll go to my Shopify account, and now we are going to set our webhook. So I'll go to my settings over here, and now here you can see notifications option. Okay, so now I'll scroll down and here you can see webhooks. So we are going to create a new webhook over here. So URL, I'll just paste the webhook URL that we got from Pabbly Connect, this one. And here in event, it is going to be product creation. So product creation is here. Format will remain JSON. Webhook API version will remain same. Save webhook. Okay, we have successfully saved our webhook. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now it is time to click on capture webhook response, because now we are going to go and create a new product in Shopify, and then we'll see if Pabbly Connect captures the information or not. So I'll go to my Shopify store. And here you can see products. Okay, so I'm going to add a new product over here. Add product. Okay, so I've already saved some details of these products over here. I'll just copy this from here and I'll paste it over here. So the product that I'm going to add is new 𝗪𝗆 𝗪𝗆 laptop. Okay, so now in description, I have few details for the description as well. I'll just copy it and I'll paste it over here. I'll just make it in a proper format. Okay, so I have created my description as well properly. Now here product status, I'll keep it as active. Okay, so now here in media, I'm going to add a file. So I have a picture over here. Okay, pricing, I'll keep it as 60,000. Okay, quantities available, I'll keep it as 50. Okay, all this is fine. Okay, product type, here I'll add laptop. Okay, vendor, Pabbly. Rest everything is fine. Now I'm just going to save it. Okay, so you can see our product is active. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you can see Pabbly Connect has already captured the data. ID is here, title is here. If you go down, you can see the other details as well. Okay, so we have successfully finished our integration of Shopify and Pabbly Connect over here. I'll just save this once. Okay, so now if you might have noticed that here in webhook response, we don't have the image URL. So in order to get our image URL, what we are going to do is we are going to add an action step over here and we are going to find the image URL. So I'm going to click on this plus button over here. And here I'm again going to choose Shopify. And now in action event, I am going to choose find product by title. That is this one. Okay. So now here you can see we have various other action events available. You can select whichever action event you want according to your choice. Now I'm going to click on connect with Shopify. So here you can see create new or select existing credentials. So here you have an option of either creating new credential or you can select any other existing credential. I'll let it be new credential. So here you can see it is asking us for the private app password and enter subdomain. The instruction to get your private app password is clearly written over here and the instruction to get subdomain is also written over here. You can just follow them. So now I'll go back to my Shopify account and here you can see apps and now I'll go down and here you can see manage private apps. Okay, so here I am going to create a new private app. Okay, so I'm going to name it as Shopify product integration with Abyssale. Okay, emergency developer email, I'll just put here 𝗪𝗆𝗪𝗆@gmail.com. So now here in permissions, I'm going to give the access. Online store pages, order editing. Okay, so I've given these permissions. Now I am going to click on save, create app. Okay, so now here you can see we have our API key and password. So now I'm going to copy this password and I'll paste it over here. Okay, now subdomain. So enter your Shopify store subdomain. So if you go back to your Shopify store, this is my subdomain, that is Pabbly. I'll just paste it here. So now this private app password and subdomain are going to help us to build a connection between Pabbly Connect and Shopify. I'll just save it. Okay, so now here in product title, what I'm going to do is I'm going to map it. I'll just remove this one and I'll map this ID. Save and send test request. Okay, so we have got our API response over here. I'll just save it. Okay. Okay, so you can see I have the image URL over here. So now let's begin with our second step integration where we are going to integrate Abyssale and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this plus button over here. And now here in choose app, I am going to choose Abyssale. Okay. So now in action event, according to our workflow, whenever a new product is added in Shopify, we want to generate banner in Abyssale. That is why generate banner from another banner will be our action event over here. You can select other action event as well according to your choice. Now I'm going to click on generate banner from another banner because this is our action event over here. Connect with Abyssale. Create new or select existing credentials. Now here again, either you can create a new credential or you can select existing credential. Here I don't have any existing credential. I'll let it be new credentials itself. Okay. So here you can see it is asking us for the API key. You can get it by following these instructions. Log into your Abyssale account, go to settings, API section to get your API key. So I've already logged into my Abyssale account. Here I'll go to my settings, API. Okay, so here is the API key. I'll just copy it. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll paste it. So now this API key is going to help us to build a connection between Abyssale and Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to click on save. Okay, so here we have some empty fields and we have to fill the information according to our webhook responses. So first is banner ID. So in order to get your banner ID, you can read here. You can find the banner UID from projects. Go to click on project, select the banner and edit it. So I'll go to my Abyssale, my banners, project. Okay, so here you can see I have so many banners already created. Now you can select any one of these banners. So I am going to select this one. So I am going to edit it. Okay, so now here in URL, you can see the banner ID. So I'm just going to copy this number from here. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste it over here. So this is actually our banner ID. Okay, so now every time you want to get a banner ID, first you have to select what kind of banner you want and then you can get the banner ID. So if I go back, if you want to create a banner like this, you just have to edit it and you can get the banner ID from the URL. Okay, so now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. So format of a banner, you can select any format according to your choice. I am going to let it be Facebook post. Okay, banners primary text. So here you have to enter the primary text that you want to be displayed on banner. So now in primary text, I'll just map the title, this one. Okay, banner secondary text. Now if the secondary text doesn't exist on the original image, it won't be taken into account. Okay, so now in banner secondary text, I am going to put the vendor's name, Pabbly launches a new product. Okay, now in banner CTA text, you need to remember that banner CTA text only accepts the text between 3 to 25 characters. That is why here I'm just going to write new product launched. Image URL. So here you have to map the image URL that you got from API 2. That is this one. So I'll map it. Okay, save and send test request. Okay, we have got our API response. That means we have successfully finished the integration of Shopify and Abyssale. Now let's go to Abyssale and see if a new banner is generated there or not. So I'll go to Abyssale, cancel. I'll refresh this once. So you can see we have a new banner over here. Let us see it. New Inspiron 145402 laptop. Pabbly launches a new product. You can see the image is also here. So we have successfully finished our integration and our integration is working fine. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So what I'm going to do is I'll go back to my Shopify store and I'm going to add a new product. Add product. Okay, so I'm going to give a title. Washing machine. Okay. I'll keep the title short over here. Description. So we have the description. I'll just copy this, paste it over here. Paragraph, bullets. Okay. Status is going to be active. Image. Let me put an image over here. Product type is washing machine. Pabbly. Price is 23,000. Okay. Quantity available is 15. Okay. Let us save it. Okay, so we have successfully added a new product over here in Shopify. Now let us go to Abyssale and check if a new banner is created there or not. So I'll go to Abyssale. I'll refresh this page once. Okay, so you can see we have a new banner over here. I'll just open it. Okay, LG washing machine, Pabbly launches a new product, and you can see the image is also here. So we have successfully finished our integration, and our integration is working fine. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I am going to explain you what has happened in our example. Okay, so in our example, what has happened is first the information came from Shopify to Pabbly Connect. Then from Pabbly Connect, the information went to Abyssale. So now every time a new product is created in Shopify, automatically a banner will be created in Abyssale. So we have successfully finished the integration of Shopify and Abyssale using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.